Hello friends! In this fun drawing lesson, you will learn how to draw Bluey step by step. The character you draw will look very cute and funny. There are 9 steps in this simple tutorial. Let's start. Step 1. Draw the outline of the head. To do this, you need to depict 1 curved and 2 straight lines. Step 2. Add the outline of the nose. Draw this on the right side of the character's head. The puppy's nose fades into his smile. Step 3. Depict the outline of the torso. To do this, continue the previously drawn lines with straight and curved lines. Step 4. Sketch out the puppy's paw and tail. Draw these details on the left side of the torso. Step 5. Draw the legs of the character. Depict legs below the torso using straight, curved lines. Step 6. Sketch out the ears and eyes. The ears appear pointed. To draw the eyes, draw an oval and a semi-oval. Step 7. Add details. Using 2 ovals depict the eyebrows. Draw the lines of the nose and abdomen with curved lines. Step 8. Add more details. Draw the inner part of the ears, stripes on the legs and tail, spots on the body. Add pupils. Step 9. Color the drawing. Use different shades of blue, as well as black and beige. Well done! Now you can draw another character. Hope you enjoyed the Bluey drawing tutorial. If you liked the lesson, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press your thumbs up, press the bell and subscribe to the channel.